The champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, engin bare.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike.
Bro, Trump assembled the ultimate Avengers team. He has Joe Rogan, he has Vivek Ramaswamy, he has Dana White. I think they have inserted Dana White into Facebook board to oversee what Mark Zuckerberg is doing. Trump no trust Mark again. He has to put his man there. You know, the first time I heard Vivek debating during the primaries of the Republicans, I was like, this guy is too smart. He's gonna most likely be the first Indian American president. And boom, Vivek said he's supporting Trump. I was like, Trump is a real gamer. Trump understands the game. He handpicked all the powerful, respected people we respect, including Elon Musk, and made them members of his team. And he didn't just fix them randomly, right? He put them in their key strengths. Elon Musk bought Twitter and fired 80% of Twitter staff. 80%. And Twitter is still running. In fact, Twitter is better now than before. The guy is the ultimate efficient engineer. He's the ultimate human manager. He's able to manage humans to launch a rocket. Have you ever seen where his rocket is landing? You will see that this is an idea in somebody's head they are trying to make work. The rocket is like 10-story building. That's how long, or 12-story building the rocket is. And when it's landing like it does, it's weightless. And it positions itself hanging on the stabilizer. Trump took Elon Musk. He didn't make him Minister of Information or Minister of Works like they do in some African countries. He made him the head of Department of Government Efficiency. That is, Elon Musk's job is to make sure that government is functioning at a highly efficient level. If you don't know what you're doing, you are going home, they fire you. First day Trump entered, he said everybody must be going to work. There's nothing like remote work again. All hands on deck. Trump said that the golden age of America has started. You know what is golden age in history? You can point to a point in history where a certain tribe or country became so powerful and wealth flourished. They were known all over the world. People would travel from all over the world to go there because that's the citadel of wealth and prosperity. That's Trump said that his presidency now is going to kickstart that period for America. Actually, America has been in power. We're actually in history. We are currently in the period in history called Pax Americana. That is when America has signed a contract that controls the world. We have Pax Romania, Pax and stuff, different Pax, right? So at this time, nobody needs to tell you that Trump will succeed. You can tell by just looking at his team. The guy assembled an Avengers team. And this is a lesson for you and I. That project we're working on this year, that's your ultimate goal. I don't know how many of you watched my video on Project Half Goofer. I don't know if you remember. Remember I say you should write it and paste it on your wall. You are the only one that knows what it means to you. You understand? That project, you must assemble an Avengers team, not just bringing random idiots into your team that will ruin everything. I'll tell you one thing, right? One day, when I was running a company, right? I had a staff of about 12, 15 or so. So we employed one lady. And she didn't pass the interview. I just took her. Big mistake number one. It's better for you to work alone than working with the wrong person. Because the wrong person can wreck your whole team. So that day, right? I came into... The next day, she came to work, of course. I came into the office. And something was smelling. I was like, what is smelling? I traced the office. Before it turned out that this lady did not use the toilet. She did her thing somewhere that is in the office that is not... Oh God of mercy of Nazareth. So what I'm saying is people will do that. They will shit on your project. People will shit on your project. If you put the wrong person in your team, they will shit on that project. It will smell and pursue everybody, scatter everything you are doing. I'm telling you the truth. Some people are criminal. They will come there, they will try to rob you blind. You understand? Some will wreck you. They will sell your data to your competitors. Some will steal your information and try to go off and start it on their own. So you need to assemble the people that are already doing what you want them to do in your team. Don't bring people and try to bring them up to speed, and go for people that are already good in their field and find out their price. How much would they charge to work with you? What will it cost them to work with you? What would they benefit? Bring them over without stealing their identity. People that are already good in their field, they don't want their identity lost. For instance, Trump is not trying to change Twitter or X to government of American social media. No. Elon Musk is still running X. He's still running SpaceX. He's still running Tesla. He said, just manage my government efficiency. And he's allowing Elon Musk to shine. Trump is not overshadowing Elon Musk's shine. You see how Elon Musk is still shining and getting his due glory? Do you get what I'm saying? Trump took Dana White, put him in Facebook board. We have Joe Rogan too very soon. In fact, the rumor now is that Vivek wants to be a governor. So they are preparing to sponsor him to become a governor of his state. So when you're assembling a team, look for people that are already good. If you want to get a social media manager, don't get an idiot and start training them. Look for somebody who is already good in their field. So you reach out to them. Look, we want you to join our team. Keep doing what you're doing. But that intelligence you have, bring it over to our team. This is how we're going to benefit you. Just do your thing. Be your own identity. We like your identity the way it is. Come and join us. This is call your price. That's how to get an Avengers. Do you understand? It's not bringing people trying to change them. People that are already good, they don't want to change. It's just like assembling a football team. You don't pick an attacker and try to make him a defender. He will not agree to join your team. 99% of the times they will not agree. And even if they agree, when they come, they will be operating at a suboptimal efficiency. You want people to join your team and they are operating times 5, times 10 more than. So assembling the right team means that you have a way to reward them. Don't just try and trick people into your team. It will backfire. Find a way to reward this person and then you pull them in. Just having one more intelligent person in your team will multiply your results. Just one comment they can make. Maybe you guys are planning a project and they say, why don't you do it this way? Just that comment is coming from years of experience and it will benefit everybody. It can save you millions. Just having an intelligent person in your team. This is how you want to plan your life. Your core friends, make sure it's an Avengers team. Everybody in your friends group are doing well in their own area. Everybody is functioning. These are the people you call friends. Not just idiots that take you to drinking and smoking and looking for who to take their life or where to steal and rob or discussing one rubbish or the other. No, that's not how you get to your goal in life. Even marriage. See, you can take your life as a project. You take a sheet of paper and write your life history. All right? 5, 10 lines, you are done. Random young man born in so and so place. He had 2 parents. He grew up and took this career and became this and married a good wife or a good husband. And then, had this number of children and traveled this place all over the world and write it. This is your life history, right? If you write it, you will see where you are on your life history. You know the next thing you are targeting. You will now write out the list of people, the nature of people that can help you. Let's say you are at a salary of 1 million naira or 500,000 naira per month. And according to your life history, the young lady became rich and is now worth 500 billion naira at the age of. Write it like that. You now ask yourself, who and who are supposed to help me to accomplish this? Okay? How are you going to accomplish it? Maybe you got into politics. Or maybe you traveled and you started working with Microsoft and you started a software startup and then it blew. Something like that. You now ask yourself, who has the credentials to get me into this? You start looking for the person that matches it. When you look at the person, when you find the person, you give them what they want. Everybody has a price. Some people it's money, some people it's because the idea makes sense, some people because you're already gathering steam, they're already hearing about you, and so on. So, but the right team will, let me tell you, right, a great team with a poor product is always better than a poor team with a great product. Because a poor team will always find a way to make anything great poor like them. They will always wreck everything. A great team will always make anything great. Let me tell you, do you know that Saudis managed to sell sand to the whole world? People are going to Saudi Arabia to see sand. Sand. People will pay millions to fly airplane to land in Saudi or what do you call it, Dubai. They will land in Dubai, book hotels, and they go on sand surfing to go and see sand. Sand that everybody has been running up from. These people manage to sell sand. Their place is desert. They are importing water. Do you know they import water? They import everything, cows. They don't have anything. The land is barren. They manage to sell it. People are going there. Do you know that there are places like that in Nigeria, but it's not being marketed? The way Dubai has background, nice sand dunes and everything, then you tie all this their attire and then take nice pictures. There are places like that in this country. Now the towns and cities and states where those things are located, they are not marketing it. I'm telling you the truth. There are places you go in Nigeria, you think you are in Dubai. I'm telling you. But there are no marketing, zero marketing, nothing. In fact, people from that place are traveling to Dubai to see the same sand that is in their hometown. Oh my God. You can sell anything. Just get the right team. Just get the right people in your team, the right mentor, the right staff, forget every other thing. Forget. Somebody was saying the other day about a company that had a social media manager and the company blew up. Why? Because the social media manager they had was already doing good in their own social media management space. The company just called them and said, how much do we fucking pay you? What is your price? What do you need? The person said, I want to be working from home. Fine. What else do you need? I need this amount of salary. Fine. We'll hustle it. What else do you need? I need this, that. I need a laptop. Fine. Start work. Just shine. Use your own creativity to boost our product. I'm telling you. Everything is about the team. Your whole success is tied around the team. Don't be too desperate to employ the wrong person in the guise of trying to grow your team. All right, once you get the wrong person, it's toast. They will shit on the project. Please like and follow me, share.